Today, more than ever, we are very intentional as far as what we consume, just so we can be fit emotionally, physically, and spiritually. And one of the things that has found its way into our daily routine are wellness shots. And these wellness shots typically are packed with ingredients such as turmeric, ginger, lemon, and orange, just to name a few. And these wellness shots also boast a lot of health benefits such as anti-inflammatories. They will assist in our digestive issues, and they will also enhance our immune system. Now, if you buy these wellness shots pre-made from a store, they can sometimes come with a hefty price tag, as well as some ingredients that we typically do not want to consume, such as added sugars. So in order to avoid all of that, we just need to make it at home. And today, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. So you guys come in close and let's make a wellness shot together. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and prep our lemon as well as our orange. Let's go ahead and take the peels off of these. And then they will go into my NutriBlender. All right, guys, now for the orange, we're gonna do exactly the same thing. Okay. Now, our ginger. Let's go ahead and cut this up a little bit so it will be easier to grind. And you guys, I am so into aromas. You will hear me say a lot of times when I'm cooking something that you should smell the aroma, but you guys, you really should smell the aroma of all of this. It is, oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. Okay, very good. All right, now our turmeric. Now, ideally, you would like to use a turmeric root. I couldn't find any, so I've got this turmeric powder, and that's what I'm going to use. So go ahead and put that in here. And next, our water. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. I am getting so excited about this. So go ahead and put the lid on this. And we are going to grind all of this together. And the thing that I'm most concerned about as far as being ground up is the ginger. So let's check it. And see if this NutriBullet did its thing, you guys. I think it did. Yeah, I do not feel any pieces of ginger in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a container so I can strain this in it, and we are going to give this a taste. So I have another NutriBullet container here, so I'm just going to strain my wellness juice into this. And I want to squeeze every drop of liquid out of this that I possibly can. So the only thing that I am left with in this strainer is this pulp. You guys, I think I've done exactly that. Let me go ahead and discard this in a little bowl over here. And I will continue on until I get all of this strained. I'll see you hopefully soon. Okay, you guys, we are finally at the finish line. Just got a little bit more straining to do, and then I will be done. And here we have it. Our ginger, orange, lemon, turmeric wellness shot. Only thing left to do, you guys, is to give this a taste. Okay, everyone, this is ready. This looks amazing. It smells amazing. And this is a container full of not only deliciousness, but a healthy drink that I'm so looking forward to incorporating into my daily morning routine. So here's to our health. You guys, give this a try. Oh my gosh. There is nothing but everything good to say about this. You get the flavors of the lemon and the orange and the ginger and the turmeric all mixed together. This is phenomenal. It tastes good and it is good for us. So again, give it a try. And when you do, please leave in the comments that you did and let everybody know just how phenomenal this is. And let me know if you are going to make this part of your daily routine, because again, we are striving to be the best that we possibly can. And one of the ways that we do this is by following a healthy, sensible diet and getting exercise, you guys. And again, I am so looking forward to incorporating this into my daily routine each and every morning. Please do give this video a like and a share. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special with delicious wellness shot drinks such as this. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. Thank you guys, and enjoy. That is so good.